this is iconic, real fucking iconic. Like Elvis Presley with like his leather jacket and pants and this guitar. It's such a fucking cool guitar. Really classic. I like it.
Flowing, the dance players dressed in black. Well, they've been so long on the street.
Wait, what am I actually hearing? Here, Heartbreak Hotel, Hound Dog, and All Shook Up. Ah, all right. I didn't really read what I was watching, so okay. I'm with you now. I just had to say, I've seen the movie Elvis Presley, the movie they made about him, and all the girls just started screaming, and it was really weird. And they didn't over exaggerate or whatever you say, because they are you can hear them. They are screaming like hell out there. So yeah.
I'm all shook up. Well, I'm busting my soul. What's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a further tree. My friends say I'm acting wild as a bug. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. My hands are shaky and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own feet. Who do you think when you have such luck? I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Oh, please don't ask me what's on my mind.
I realized it now, so I just had to say it. He really sampled together those three songs really fucking well, because I barely heard that he went from Hound Dog to All Shook Up, and I just didn't realize it. But now I heard it.
I'm a little mixed up, but I feel fine when I'm near the girls that I love. My heart beats so it scares me to death. I wish touching my hand. Now what a chill I got. My lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say she's my buttercup. I'm all shook up.
Alright, that was Elvis Presley, Heartbreak Hotel, Hound Dog, and All Shook Up 68 comeback special, all in one. Really good. I really liked it. It was a great mix of all of them, and just put together real nice. His voice, real fucking great. I really like it. Real iconic with the clothing and the guitar. Really cool. I really like it. And well, I don't really know why I haven't reacted more Elvis, but we should react to more Elvis. Yeah. Alright, so let's do it. If you want more Elvis, of course, like and write in the comments. So yeah, I hope you have a great week, night, month, day, the whole December. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.